Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle, and today I'm going to be sharing my relaxing self-care pamper routine, something we all deserve once in a while to pour some goodness back into ourselves and to also remember how important we are.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me, she got a vibe for you.
So I'm starting off by cleansing my face. This is a fairly new product I've been using by the brand PORECELIN, which is AHAABHA clarifying foam. This clarifier has been clutch because I've been having random breakouts and nothing was really helping, but I've never used products that contained any of these ingredients. The AHAs work by peeling away dead skin cells on the skin surface, revealing fresh new skin cells underneath. BHAs are chemical exfoliators that help to loosen and dissolve dead skin cells. These two together help brighten skin and lock in moisture. One thing I love about it is little goes a long way, so you only need 2 pumps and it removes any oil or dirt but doesn't strip the skin. The foam also aids in reducing acne scarring, hyperpigmentation, dark marks, acne, and minimizing pores. Now onto my hair. I'm just going to give myself a nice clay mask using the Indian AZTEC clay and apple cider vinegar. These two pair so well together. It helps to smooth your cuticles. It helps to balance your hair's pH, moisturize, define your curls, and overall just remove any toxins from your scalp. I contemplate about how I feel. Now for my body wash, I'll be using Dove Beauty Body Love Hyaluronic Serum Moringa Oil Moisture Boost Body Cleanser, and I love it so much, especially when you pair it with the loofah. You literally only need like 1 or 2 pumps and your whole body will suds up. Dove always does it. It smells so good and it just goes onto your body so smooth, leaving your skin super soft, very exfoliated, and very clean, just like a baby. That natural clean scent and the smell resonates even when you get out of the shower. As I'm getting older, I'm learning to appreciate time and what I do with it. Moments like this allow me to just focus on self, reflect, and cater to my body, mind, and soul. Most times we get so caught up with life that we dread getting through the day. Overwhelmed by work, school, parenting, always having to figure things out, that we forget about our needs and the things that make us genuinely feel good. It's the little things that count that can make such a difference in our overall mood. So when I say pamper, I mean pamper. I'm using a hydrating soap infused sponge in the scent Strawberry Milk, which is not just a sponge or a soap, it's literally a bath with such a great lather, which helps to soften and moisturize the skin. When it comes to my downstairs area, I'm very particular on what I use, and I absolutely love this Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Soap. It's non-scented but very gentle and leaves you super fresh. Following up with my Tree Hut Vanilla Bean Scrub. I have tried pretty much all of these scents, and this one has it hands down. It smells good enough to eat, but it's also a great exfoliant, helping to remove dry, dead skin, helps with hyperpigmentation, super hydrating, and like most scrubs, it's not harsh. Gentle enough for daily use, and my skin always feels so smooth afterwards. So after I exfoliate, I like to shave because it helps to unclog pores and you're less prone to razor bumps or irritation. I absolutely love this brand by BILLIE. First off, it's super cute, but it also has a rubber handle, making it easy to hold while shaving. It's aloe moisturized, designed to glide over your skin for an extremely close shave, and it also has a magnetic holder that you can stick on your wall, so it's super convenient. And for me, most days it's a quick wash and hop out. I feel like my time is always cut in half because my kids are constantly requiring something. So this time for me is truly appreciated. So after about 20 minutes, I rinse out the mask with cool water and my hair always bounces back despite my lack of attention. This is something that you only need to do maybe once a month to boost the health of your hair, and trust me, you will see a big difference. As for my deodorant, I've been sticking to the same product for years. It's Dove powder, and listen, it never fails me. Now I'm gonna follow up with the Dickinson's Witch Hazel cleansing wipes, which are bomb, y'all. Being that I have very oily skin, this is great at combating that. It's very convenient to carry in your purse, and Witch Hazel is a great toner that can remove dirt, bacteria, and it acts as a calming ingredient. Not to mention, it gives me a nice clean face. I then like to go in with the ordinary AZTEC acid, which is a brightening formula. Something I need as a mother. Sleep hardly exists, so I need that glow. I need that pick me up. But it also works for me as a moisturizer. I used to use an SPF, which is vital for protecting the skin, but I noticed a lot of breakouts. And lastly, I'm going to follow up with the Moon Cosmetics Rose Galore Oil. Let me put y'all on. I've been telling y'all about this. This oil is so good for inflammation, eczema, hyperpigmentation, blackheads, uneven skin, and even rosacea. A few drops and you'll have that nice glow throughout the day. And of course, I can't forget to drink my water. I believe my breakouts are definitely due to my lack of water intake, so I've definitely been more mindful, trying to stay hydrated, just trying. When we aren't getting enough fluid intake, it can definitely take a toll on our body as well as our skin. I'm going in with the Coco Lotion Coconut Oil by Pink, which is more like a lotion to me, but after a nice wash, it doesn't stop here. I want to smell like everything, and this is so nice and calming. It's light, but my skin absorbs it so well. And then I like to go in and add the Hydration Body Oil by Shea Moisture. If you know, you know. It contains coconut milk that softens and restores your skin. But what I love the most is the way my body glistens afterwards. Not every day do I get to take this much time out to love on my body. So my motto is, if you're gonna do it all the way. Cherish every part of your body, even the parts that don't make us feel so pretty. I'm learning that I'm unique and I am definitely imperfect, and I'm okay with that.
Walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away.
So of course I like to feel my best and comfortable, so you know that means putting on something cozy, putting on some perfume to set the tone. Gucci Flora does it every time. Very light floral scent, but very sexy. And of course, my favorite slippers. And even though I'm in the house, I still want to look somewhat like a snack. Most times we get in the habit of just throwing on sweats and a t-shirt when we aren't going anywhere. But it's time to value ourselves more. This is actually one of my favorite nightgowns. It has a super soft material, and even though I have no plans to go out or have any company, I decided to put on something that complements my body and makes me feel feminine. When it comes to pampering myself, to me it doesn't mean spending a lot of money. It can be the most simple, beautiful things, such as buying yourself flowers. And for so long, I had to learn the importance and the beauty behind flowers. I don't know if it's because I never really received them or what it was, but as I've gotten older, I've learned that there's beauty in everything, and I don't need to look for somebody to give them to me while I'm still living, that I can give them to myself to make me feel important and to know how much I love myself. So I decided to pick out a little bouquet of flowers, and not to mention how beautiful these are. I mean, I've seen red roses, I've seen pink roses, and so on and so forth, but these orange ones were literally the last ones, so I had to get them. And here you'll see me just spinning and twisting the stem because I seen a TikTok trick. And if you want your roses to bloom faster, then you can try this little hack, and it definitely works. It's so cool. I figured, why not buy myself some flowers and make myself feel good? You know, a lot of us look for validation and we look for our partners to cater to us, and you know, when we don't get that, then we're left disappointed, and then our self-esteem starts to decrease. But if you get in the habit of catering to yourself and pleasing yourself, then you will never look for it from anybody else. And I'm learning that it's okay to be by myself, and it's okay to pour love into myself and not have to look for someone else to give it to me. now it's really time to relax. And when I say relax, I like to dim the lights. I need a nice cool setting. I need to light my candles. If you don't know, I'm a candle lover, and I don't care what flavor it is. If it smells good, it's for me. And now I'm going to follow up with these detoxifying scented foot pads, which are actually new. I picked them up at Five Below. But what they're basically supposed to do is just relax your body. You can leave them in overnight. It's supposed to encourage circulation and rejuvenation. It also assists in drawing out body impurities, and it helps with soreness and tired feet, especially if you had a long day. It's lavender, and lavender is actually one of my favorite scents. It's great for relaxation. It's great for anxiety, and it's great just to calm your mind and your body down. So I'm super excited to try these out because this is definitely new to my pamper routine. So let's see how it goes. And although this is my pamper routine and self-care day, I do like to find time throughout the day to just work. And my work just entails sitting at a computer, so it's not like it's too strenuous, and I don't feel like I have to do it all day. So I just work in spurts and just do a little editing here and there. So I'll just do it for a few minutes, and then when I feel like I've done enough and my eyes start to burn, then I'll just switch and go to my phone and check some emails, go on social media. But I don't like to stay on it too much where I'm just like stuck on my phone. I kind of like to gauge myself because sometimes social media is not the best for our mind mentally, especially if we're trying to reset, restart, and detox from certain things that affect us mentally. So I put a cap on it, and you know, I'll just talk to friends, family, text, whoever it is, just doing things that's relaxing me, where it's not taking too much energy. And then I like to just watch some YouTube videos. There's certain people that I really enjoy watching. It's just very soothing. I'm actually watching a self-care video now, but I just enjoy it to see other people. It's relaxing. And now I'm just gonna go get me a snackety snack, because you know, a pamper routine is not a pamper routine if you don't put all the things in your body that you love. And although dairy doesn't love me, I absolutely love the taste of ice cream, and I set it off with some Entenmann's pound cake. Right now I'm just gonna sit on my couch by myself and watch a show and just vibe out with no disturbances, no noise. My phone is on D&D, and I'm enjoying my snack. This is something that is not a daily thing for me. You understand? I'm always on my feet. I'm always cooking. I'm always cleaning. I'm always doing what I need to do as an adult. And sometimes you just need that time to yourself to just think, process, worry about you, because we're so busy worrying about other people and all the things that we have to do and all the things that aren't done and all the things that we don't have and all the things we need, that we lose focus and we forget. So this time and these days that I get to myself, I'm so grateful and I appreciate it, because not everybody gets days like this. And the times that you do, it's okay to be selfish for a day or two, to just do what you need to do and fulfill your needs. If you're burnt out and you're tired and you forget about yourself, you can't expect to give your all to anybody else, your family, your spouse, your friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you understand how important you are, and don't forget to love on yourself.
Simply Michelle, simply Michelle. You're watching